Today's visit to Cortec's Tiyan facility by DPW and GFD had one primary focus: to ensure the structural integrity of the building was intact. Public Works Director Joanne Brown.
They do need to address the areas where you have rusting rebar and where you do have areas that they've initiated chipping to clear those areas out already, but we would like to see those things properly repaired because, of course, just for the safety of anyone here, you don't want anything falling off or falling on or they're going to injure the students. So far those things are relatively minor, and if they can be readily addressed and repaired, then I think we'll be able to move forward.
While today's visit wasn't a full-fledged inspection, officials did note cracks on the roof and columns and missing door locks and exit signs. GFD Fire Prevention Officer Captain Gerard Terlahi says some progress has been made, but it's clear the facility isn't ready for occupancy for educational use right now.
There are no extinguishers in this whole facility. I mean, that's obvious. There are some minor exposed wires, but they've staged it like that for the lighting to test them. So it's we're anticipating that they have a plan in place, and that the school should be ready as soon as they're able to work out the discrepancies.
GFD previously noted that the buildings must be evaluated by qualified structural engineers and are properly repaired before issuing a green light for the use of Tiyan Middle School. Cortec has since hired an independent structural engineer to help in the assessment of the facility. While a report was compiled in 2009 outlining how the not-so-severe deficiencies could be easily fixed and the facility deemed structurally safe, Cortec will provide a supplemental report to allay any recent concerns, and DPW will ensure the necessary repairs are completed before kids occupy the facility.
Considering the fact that the shift was made fairly recently to perhaps reoccupy this for Tiyan Middle School, the fact that they're already out here doing repairs and trying to get things in place is a fairly good sign. And so far the mood has been fairly cooperative, and so that's a very good sign, I think, for everyone.
Cortec has already completed minor repairs to a number of classrooms and started repairing areas for possible pavement. Regulatory agencies will return for a follow-up inspection once the power and water has been hooked up. UMS faculty and staff have proposed starting the move on January 20th as long as it's approved by the Guam Education Board during their meeting next week. The lease agreement is set to take effect beginning February 1st. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintanilla.